Hello friends, drones have been invented in our current information technology world for a few years now, and drones have become the most popular and readily available. Modern drones can be controlled with smartphones, and their popularity has grown. Drones use drones to get views, to catch criminals, to transport things from one place to another, but occasionally drones capture something in the camera that surprises the whole world's scientific community. Today's episode of Virtual Technology, if you watch the video, I am sure you will feel better, so keep enjoying the whole video. Welcome to another new episode of Virtual Technology. The girl's father bought a new drone to film his golf scene with a drone camera, but on the first day, while practicing golf, the girl accidentally aimed the drone at the camera and the golf bolt went straight and hit the drone camera, hitting the drone into a nearby bush. The girl's father realized that his daughter was playing so well that the girl's father never imagined that the girl's father could not even imagine that this video would go viral.
Bang. Oh wow. Oh my god. Oh my god, are you serious?
Some people have a tendency to get angry when they can't play well, like this woman gets angry when she gives a bad shot while practicing golf, and she gets angry and looks at the drone while she is recording the side. The woman may not be going to show her bad game to anyone, but unfortunately this video went viral. But another reason for hitting the drone was that the drone was making noise near the woman's ear, and because of that she was quite angry. Nowadays a modern technology has been added, and that is when the battery runs out of any type of battery, the drone automatically moves to its starting point. The drones of the previous day did not have this feature, so they would have suffered as soon as the drone ran out of battery, and there are many such videos. The two brothers had a hobby of eating drone stars, so they customized a normal drone to make an armed drone. Then the two brothers in shorts started running on the ice and started firing at the drone, and the two of them have fun. Maybe their two brothers were not harmed. On this couple's wedding day, they were videotaping their beautiful moment with a drone camera, but suddenly their drone camera got angry, and so the drone hit the head of both of them like this. And anyway, this couple will never forget this beautiful moment of their wedding day. The drone was sent to a zoo in China to videotape a group of tigers. The tigers were disturbed by the sound of the drone. At first, the tiger chased the drone for a while, but then a tiger grabbed the drone and then smashed the drone. Tuzi, a chimpanzee at a zoo in the Netherlands, saw this strange trunk. He saw a drone approaching and was trying to hit the drone down, and the chimpanzee was successful. The scientists were quite surprised. Some people are surprised to see the level of creativity. The owner of this dog wanted to take the dog to the top of the hill, but it takes a lot of work to walk or lift the dog, so he plans to take this dog to the top of the hill with a used drone and see how the drone lifted the dog. Although the video was a prank video, the video was quite funny. There are a lot of people in our world who stay away from seeing drones, never hear the word drone, and if they suddenly see a drone like this, it is normal for them to have such a reaction. This woman in an African village suddenly sees a drone near her house, and frightened to see it, she didn't understand what it was, maybe she thought it would hurt her, so she started screaming. In fact, it is not right to intimidate people in this way.
ড্রোন দেখে এক এক মানুষ
People react differently to the drone, such as when a person suddenly sees the drone while walking on the road, and when he sees how scared he is, he thinks the drone will shoot at him, so he goes to the side of the car and hides. Even after hiding, the drone is there. He tries to scare the drone with his hand like a gun. He thinks the drone might go away thinking it is his friend. After a while he changes his position and starts aiming his hand like a gun, but in the end all the man's attempts fail. Then he moved to another place. When a train started in a few cities in America a few years ago, people would wear scary clothes and pretend to be clowns. Suddenly the drone's camera captured the scene where a clown was standing in the ground, and the clown saw it from a distance and suddenly went into the jungle in fear, so that the drone could do nothing, but the clown was also terrified. Friends, you would be surprised to know that some people climbed on top of it, and this video was made with a drone. See how this person was comfortably sunbathing on top of a windmill. It was really incredible, and without the drone I would have seen this strange sight. No, but this man's courage is to be commended. People do many things with drone cameras, even fires are extinguished by drones. It sounds unbelievable, but it's true, as you can see in the video. Hundreds of acres of farmland were being destroyed by the fire, and so they used drone cameras to put out the fire. They visited the area with drone cameras and were able to put out the fire with the right measures. This video shows us that at some point danger comes and goes, but we don't see it. You can see the video of how a person is surfing the sea and the deadly circus around him, but he can't see the scene seen in this video. Let's see how a white shark is circling around this boat. Not only this video shows two people bathing in the sea water while a 9 feet long shark is circling beside them a few feet away. If you like the video, you can share it, and if you like watching such mystery, thriller, uncommon, interesting video, subscribe to the Virtual Technology channel now and press the bell icon next to it. It will be good. Until then, in the next episode, thank you.